is Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video, my friends, we're going to be sauteing saltfish with chocho. Here we go. So my friends, for this recipe you need a chocho, also known as chayote, some scallion or green onions, some tomatoes, onions, and some cod fish. Okay, so let's get started with this easy recipe. So we're going to saute chocho with saltfish. Here we go. So I have some codfish here, my friends, and the first thing you want to do is rinse this off with water and then put it to boil. I don't need any of the salt on this because this is a special preparation that I'm doing, and yeah, I'm going to do that. Then we're going to come back and get going. Okay, my friends, the first thing you want to do is peel the chocho or the chayote. So you want to peel this. Now you don't have to peel this, but I'm going to peel it for this recipe, right? And then we'll carry on. And a lot of these vegetables, I find that people don't know how to cook it, so they don't buy it, right? And it has packed with a lot of nutritional benefits. You know, it does have vitamin K in it. It has a little bit of calcium, and some iron in it as well. It's just vitamin C, I believe, is also in here. So lots and lots of benefits. Okay. So now you're going to want to cut it in half. And I usually take out this part. Okay, so I'm going to cut it again. A quarter. Right? And we call this chocho in Jamaica. And yeah, I won't tell you why, but so this is it. And so you're going to take out the middle part. It's a little bit harder, but that's called the heart of it. That's what we call it. And then I just slice them up so that they cook faster up. Okay, so then I didn't take out too much of that inside. And then we're going to let this boil until it's cooked. And usually it takes about, I swear, maybe 10 minutes to cook. Very quick and easy vegetable to prepare. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to cut up my onions and tomatoes, and then we carry on, okay? So this is boiling nicely, my friends. I'm going to throw this water off and get fresh water and start the process all over again. The reason why I double boil it is to get rid of all the salt on the saltfish, okay, on the codfish. So here we go. Lots of cooking happening this morning, my friend. Lots of cooking. So I have some fresh water now in here, my friends. Now I'm going to add my chocho in because this is no longer salty. I'm going to add all the pieces of chocho in. So by the time this boils out again, the chocho will be cooked. Okay, so there we go. Fast and easy. Okay. So my friends, the chocho is all cooked, so we're ready to roll. Okay, so let's carry on to the next step. Here we go. Okay, my friends, here is the chocho. What you want to do is just crush it with the fork. It does have water in there, or liquid, but that's okay. That's going to be needed for the meal that we're preparing. Okay, so crush it up. Make it nice and mushy. And that's it. So I just use one chocho for this, my friends. So here we go. All right, let's go over to the stove and continue. So I'm adding my onions. my scallion, my garlic. I did put some garlic in here, and I'm going to add the tomatoes as well. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good. My saltfish, I'm just going to break that up. Oh. And I'm going to put that in the pot as well. I'm going to add some pepper. Break this up. I'm going to be adding some black pepper as well. No salt for this recipe, my friends, no salt. You can break up the saltfish pieces a little bit smaller. And you just want all of this to cook there. Right? The onion takes seconds to cook. Right? So my friends, with the crushed or the mashed chocho, remember all that water is in there? You're going to need that in here as well. You don't need too much oil when you're frying up the saltfish, okay? So you're going to put all that chocho in there. And then just stir it in. Stir it in. And that's basically it, my friends. That's basically it. Nice, warm. It's a good option when you're not eating red meat. As I told you, I boil out the salt out of the saltfish, so it's not salty at all, right? And this is just nice, great to eat with some green banana and all. So I'm going to take this off, and then we're going to serve this up, okay? Okay, my friends, here it is, my sauteed codfish with chocho. It is a nice meal. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. A great alternative for someone who does not eat meat. Yeah, quick and easy. And you can see the pieces of chocho in there as well, my friends. So if you do try this recipe, let me know by commenting below. If you have had this before, let me know. I should have told you guys this is not my original recipe. It was a friend of mine that gave me the recipe, and I thought, wow, brilliant. And it is so delicious. So it's also a great way to use up chocho, also known as chayote. All right, thank you for watching, my friends. And remember, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better.